Like all injury claims, case value is determined by a formula. The first aspect to look at are the injuries themselves. The second aspect are the types of care that the client or patient goes through, the intensity, the frequency, and duration of that medical care, and whether at the end of that care, is there a permanent impairment to a particular body part, and if so, is it duly documented and does it indicate future medical care? A permanent impairment is a medical assessment to the function of a particular body part due to an injury. It's documented by the AMA guidelines. It's a vital component to a personal injury case, and it must be documented by the whole person percentage method. The whole person percentage method is a way to document an injury in relation to the entire body. I'll give you an example. If you have a right thumb injury and it's only 60% mobile, well then it's said to have a 40% impairment to that range of motion. If you compare that same injury to your arm, it would be something less. Here it would be approximately 16%. If you compare that to your entire body, it would be even lesser, and that would be probably around 8% impairment. So the whole person percentage is simply a ratio to contrast an injury with the entire body. Permanent impairment injury is documented one of two ways. The first way is by a diagnostic-related estimate, simply diagnosing the body part or parts injured. The second way is by documenting any impairment to range of motion, usually on a leg or arm, some sort of extremity. The treating physician can document a permanent impairment, and it's usually done at the conclusion of care. That is, when the patient concludes their care and they've plateaued in their injuries. The AMA impairment is important because it's an objective finding to impairment of the body. It's used worldwide to document impairment, in addition to the United States, and it's probably the biggest value driver on a personal injury case today.